Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial in which we are going to quickly see how we can enable the dark mode in Snapchat. So I have already configured the Snapchat. As you can see here, it's fully working, but I want to use it for a longer period of time and it hurt in my eyes. So I just want to turn on the dark mode. It's very simple. Just you have to click on the top. You can see this profile icon of yours, yeah, right? So it contains your picture, Bitmoji, whatever. Just click on that. And after that, on the top right corner, you will see this settings option. Just go to the settings. And from here, if we scroll down a little bit, you will see this app appearance option. Just click here. And from here, you can simply turn it to always dark. You can restart it now, and now it is in the dark mode. So it's that simple, guys. If you want to learn more about Snapchat, you can join the complete playlist link in the description where I have explained all of the amazing features that Snapchat offers. So I'll see you there.